morning. Good morning, bolt.
I gave him 2 kisses on his forehead.
Ah. So cute. Give a kiss. No, now it seems I want to bite your hand. Okay. Give it.
I can't get to do nothing. Now you give it.
He's come to spend some time with us while there's some work going on in his house. Are you liking it? Are you liking it, your Bolt? Bolt? Don't cry, I'm here only. It's Monday today, so we're back to the house to see to the house things. You guys already know that Bolt is with us for a little bit today, which you know we are enjoying. He's a bundle of mischief, and we are expecting some workmen now for the kitchen stuff and the plumbing stuff. It's kind of annoying to deal with them because they don't say no. They say, oh, like we'll come, but they don't give you a date. So that part's getting really frustrating, and hopefully they will come today. But one nice surprise was that our grill guy called us and he said he's coming today. He was earlier supposed to do it last week, then he said he'll do it Wednesday, but now it's early, it's Monday only, and we're getting the backyard grills installed. So it's actually going to be fun to see the process. So our fabricators are on their lunch break. I always just don't feel so comfortable filming when they are there because you know they're doing work, and also I don't know if they want to be on camera, and it's very difficult to have that conversation that can I film you guys for YouTube, and I don't feel too great filming without asking them. But I think the grill looks pretty nice. It's like we imagined it, like in some world. Okay, maybe it's seems nice to keep everything open, but also you know this is just going to be a little safer, so we have our little private yard space, but also you know we are safe. I don't really know what I'm saying. So this is not like finished, there's still some work they have to do. They have to add some stuff to the top and also like fix it inside, but this is kind of sort of done and I like it. Now this is the front yard, and this is going to be our new water tank cover. So this had an old cover underneath which was made of iron, and since this place is not sheltered or covered in any way, the iron really degraded over time, like it rusts, and it's very humid climate. So you know the guy suggested that instead of just getting another iron one which will rust really quickly, we get this aluminium sheet which is supposed to be much more resilient to moisture in the air. And I'm kind of excited because look at this textured sheet, like Mumbai people will recognize it at once. This is the same kind of sheet that's used for the flooring of our local trains. This is the new tank cover. Apparently the grill guys are going to finish all of their work today, so that'll be nice. I think they are doing a good job, but it's hard to tell until it's completely finished. It's weird to search for these vendors, you know, because some of these vendors we found via word of mouth, like we asked our neighbors and found people, but since my first fence guy didn't work out, I found these fabricators on Google Maps and I was a little bit nervous, but I think they've done a good job. But I forgot to show you guys this the last time, but this is some electrical changes that we made. Our main doorbell was on the inside and we have this grill door on the outside, so it was not a practical position, so we've now added it here and we have to change the bell. And then if you look over there, this is very exciting for me. I'm so pumped about this. And this is the space where we're going to be keeping my kiln for pottery. I'm going to have my own pottery kiln and I'm just going to take my ceramics journey a lot further. I'm so excited about this. We already have like the wiring done. This all may look a little untidy right now, but we asked him to drill into the wall because we're going to paint anyway, so then it will be made neat later on.
Don't cry.
Next day today, and I wish I was one of those people who could keep track of days very well, and then I could tell you how long we've been here and how long we've been doing this. Alas, I have no idea. I lose track of days very easily. You guys saw snippets from yesterday where we got the grills installed. So our metal fabricators came kind of late, and then they worked very slowly in the beginning, but they did want to finish off yesterday itself, so they ended up keeping us very late. Like the longest we've stayed here this time. But that being said, I think they did a pretty good job. We are quite happy with everything new that's been installed. We were not happy with our plumber, and we are certain basically that he kind of cheated us by quoting too high and using not great materials. And we've learned our lesson. We had more work which we were going to give to him, but we are not going to because, you know. So we talked to a new plumber just now, and it's really hard to tell right at the beginning if he's going to be good at his job and he's going to do things properly, but we have a good feeling. All we know is we did not want to continue working with that guy, so he's gone to the shop or something to bring some of the materials, and I think today we will be engaged with the plumbing work, and he's going to start in the backyard. There's a little work here. So we found a local Bhutanese restaurant, and we're trying it for the first time today. The food is really quite delicious. This is like this savory, deep fried meat pie, and it's so yummy. Very gentle girl. You're mostly leaving her, I think. Today's been a really busy day, and I've not managed to really update or vlog in any way over here, but the new plumber that we got seems super nice. He's solving our issues, and I guess we're happy with him. Also, our waterproofing work is finally coming to a close, and we've called the electricians for some more work. So the next 2-3 days are still gonna be hectic, but I think it's pretty much at the end of like this time's renovation before we come back on the next trip and start with like painting and stuff. Monsoons in Goa can be very intense, and that can cause some water seepage issues. So this is a kind of sorry sight. This is our most damp internal wall. I think it's also because like our neighbors' bathrooms on the other side or whatever. But this is what they do in internal waterproofing. They punctured the wall, and now they poured liquid concrete into it. I don't know. It's kind of interesting to me.
Some chemicals.
Yeah. It's pretty cool that they know how to do all this stuff. Not our friend. slicing, Mom?
Mackerel.
And what are we making with this?
Stuffed mackerel.
What stuffed mackerel, Ma?
Salad stuffed mackerel.
Yay. So is this the right like 4 minutes?
Yeah, it is.